Florida, and we are in a storm. Right now we're in Florida, but the storm is in Georgia, but it's coming closer.
We're in Florida still, honey.
Yeah, but remember the first time we saw it, it was in Georgia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
Georgia. Stupid Georgia.
Yeah, my dad hates Georgia. He doesn't like it.
Atlanta's cool.
Wow. This is hard because I'm holding my dad's phone and my tablet.
Oh, you can turn my phone off, honey.
Whoa!
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
This is fun. Whoa. We're hydroplaning.
Whoa.
Really got to be careful, especially right when it starts raining. Wow. All the oil comes up, makes it slippery. And the other cars, more about them than you. Those Florida torrential downpours too can flood out a freeway in no time. It seems to have calmed down. That's cool. I still see some lightning ahead of us. I don't think we're done yet. Drops are getting bigger. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, keep building! You missed it. You would have had it. Going out your side window. But look at this ahead of us. Wow, thank goodness for Rain-X, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, the storm that was on the freeway, that was swinging up on the freeway.
Got your Doppler radar out there?
Yeah, this is my dad's phone. Now look at that radar. I think I should make your channel and put this on it.
Whoa!
Wow. I should call your channel The Weatherman.
Whoa!
Whoa!
457. Did you say 467 was the last exit in Florida?
Yeah, so we're 10 miles away.
Oh, we're 10 miles from the last exit, but I don't know how many miles it is to the end of Florida. It could be a mile or two, maybe 5 even.
I don't think it's catching the lightning. I don't think this is catching the lightning.
Oh, sorry. 500 miles, boy. We'll be there in an hour and a half.
Paradise Coast, coolest kids hang out, 102.7 Ben FM.
Yay.
From the Proclaimers to Pitbull, here's Fireball on 102.7 Ben FM.
It's a worldwide to infinity. You know that we phone fine. We go boogie, hoogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like a roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like a roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes like a roof on fire. Running the game.
Fireball. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
She go right here, don't play. That noise from the bottom. USA. I can listen to a little bit.
Oh, if you comment down and post on my Facebook page, Penda's Minecraft, and if you guys want this disc, we could try and send it to you. We could try and make copies and send it to you
That's right.
if you guys want some. My dad would be the one doing it because he's the one who actually did all the stuff on his computer. I'm on fire. Fireball. Dun, 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 dun. 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 We're checking it out. We're taking it, we're taking it, we're taking it out. We're taking it, we're taking it, we're taking it out. We're taking it, we're taking it out.
And you don't shake the screen though while you're videotaping. It's really hard to watch it later. When you're videotaping. So I used to make a lot of videos when I was a kid. Oh wow! You want to try to hold it still as possible? Get some good lightning here. There's a good lightning storm. Ooh, you getting that?
Yeah.
Try to get it to focus on one of these semi-trucks. You're an ice cold. Can you get it to focus on one of those? Like zoom all the way out. Whoa! Did you get that?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's getting hard to catch this lightning right here. Like the the ones that are actually like that. I caught.
That's why if you aim at if you can hold it still enough and aim at a semi-truck and then get it to lock in on the position and focus on it. Now hold it still, and then when the lightning hits, you should be able to. Yeah, see? Is it working better?
Yeah.
I've always wanted to get good video of me driving down the road, man. Thanks for being my camera guy.
And I made a video on your phone
Cool.
that you can post on the website.
Oh, thanks. You want to do a Ben-style video for Dada on Dada's phone? Hi guys, this is Ben, recording for Dada's phone.
Okay.
Tell everybody what's up, where we're at. We're almost in Georgia.
So, guys, that's what we got this video. See you guys next time.